Today we are here to solve one more paper for IGCSE Mathematics. Today we are going to solve paper 2, which is again a non-calculator paper. So yeah, without wasting time, let's do math. So from 2025, they're also going to provide a set of formula that is going to be included in the question paper for the students to refer. So starting from question number 1, let's start. Question number 1, it says work out 0.01 the whole square. So 0.01 the whole square is going to be 0.0001. This is going to be the answer, 0.0001. Question number 2, it says write 57.3997 correct to 4 significant figures. So we have to check till 4 significant figure, 1 2 3 4. The fourth significant figure number is 9, and next to 9 we have 9, which is, so we have to round it off. So the answer is going to be 57 point, it is 39, so it is going to be 40. So 57.40. Question number 3 now. It says ME changes 250 euros into dollars. 250 euros into dollars. Exchange rate for euros to dollars is 1.10. Calculate the number of dollars ME receives. So basically 250 multiplied by 1.10. So basically 25 multiplied by 11. So 25 multiplied by 11 is going to be 25, 275. So $275. Moving ahead, question number 4. It says the diagram shows two triangles ABD and ADC. Angle AB is equal, side AB is equals to AC. It's an isosceles triangle. Angle ABD is 61, ABD is 61 degree, ADC is 81 degree, which is already marked in the triangle. Work out angle ADC. We have to find work out angle DAC. ADC is already given to us. We have to find this angle. So basically it's an isosceles triangle, so base angle will be equal triangle ABC. This is 61, so this is also going to be 61 degrees. So we have to find this. So 180 minus sum of these two. So this is going to be 142. So 180 degree minus 142 degrees, which is 180 minus 40 is 40 and 38. So ADC is going to be 38 degrees. So this angle is going to be 38 degrees. Yeah. Question number 4 done. Question number 5. It says convert 0.17 meter square to centimeter square. So first we have to understand the conversion. 1 meter is actually 100 centimeter. So if we square both the sides, we will get 1 meter square equals to 10,000 centimeter square, and this will help us to find the conversion of 0.17 meter square to centimeter square. So 0.17 multiplied by 10,000, that is going to give us 1700 centimeter square. So we just have to write 1700 and centimeter square. Yeah. Moving on to question number 6 now. It says the mass of a solid cuboid is 4 kg. The volume of the cuboid is 600 centimeter cube. Calculate the density of the metal. So density is mass upon volume. This is already given to us. But we should always remember certain formulas. So calculate the density of the metal giving your answer in gram per centimeter cube. So first thing what we have to do is we have to convert 4 kg to grams. So that is 4,000 grams. And mass upon volume will give us the density. So divided by the volume, that is 600. So that will give us the density. So 0 cancel out. 40 by 6. 40 by 6, 20 by 3. 20 by 3, which is going to be 6. 3 is 18 and 2. 6 2 by 3 is going to be the answer. 6 2 by 3. So that's the answer, gram per centimeter cube. Moving on to question number 7 now. Question number 7. U is 3 and minus 2v is minus 12 and 5. We have to find u minus 2v. So u is as it is, 3 and minus 2. here we have to do scalar multiple 2 into v, so 2 into v, so minus 24, because this 2 into minus 12 minus 24, and then this 2 into 5, so this is going to be 10 over here. The answer is going to be 3 minus minus plus, this is going to be 27, minus 2 minus 10, it is going to be minus 12, so this is going to be the answer, 27 and minus 12. Yeah, we have part B where we have to find modulus of v. So modulus of any function is under root of x component square and y component square. V is minus 12, so minus 12 the whole square plus 5 the whole square, so this is going to be under root of 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25, sum of 144 and 25 is going to be 169, which is 13. So answer is going to be 13. That's the answer for question number 7 part B. Moving on, question number 8. The diagram shows a semicircle with diameter 9, so diameter is already marked, it is 9 centimeter. Calculate the total perimeter of this semicircle. Okay, we have to find the perimeter of the semicircle. Give your answer in exact form. So we have to give the answer in exact form. We don't have to multiply by 22 by, we don't have to use decimal value of pi, because the circumference formula is 2 pi r, but this is for the whole circle. We have a semicircle, so put 2 pi r divided by 2, so 2 cancel out pi r, but this is the circumference of a semicircle. We have to find the perimeter of semicircle. So perimeter means this curved part plus this diameter. That means perimeter is going to be pi r plus d, which is radius is 9 by 2, so 9 by 2 we can write 4.5 pi plus the diameter, which is 9. So this is going to be answer, 4.5 pi plus 9 centimeter. So that's the answer for question number 8. Let's move on to question number 9 now. It says in a sequence T1, T2, T3, T4 is given to us. Find T5. So first let's check what's the difference. 17 to 12, so minus 5. 12 to 7, again minus 5. 7 to 2, again minus 5. And then now they're asking us to find T5. T5 means we have till T4, so T5 will be again minus 5, which is going to be minus 3. So this is going to be minus 3 over here. Now we have to find Tn. So Tn going to be first term plus n minus 1 into common difference. First term is 17 plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference, which is minus 5. Solve this one. So we have 17 minus 5n plus 5, because here minus plus. 17 plus 5, that is going to be 22, and then minus 5n. So this is going to be the answer, 22 minus 5n. That's the answer. Let's move on. Question number 10 now. It says work out 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. So 2 by 3 plus 3 and a half. So here we can add 2 and 3, we can directly write 5 plus, now we have 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So here we can do cross multiplication. So let's solve 2 by 3 and 1 by 2 separately. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2, this is going to be 4 plus 3 by 6, which is 7 over 6. 7 over 6, again it's a improper fraction. 7 over 6 can be written as 1 over 6, that is 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7 over 6. So again this one we can add with 5, so we have 5 plus 1 upon 6, which can be written as 5 plus 1 6 and 1 over 6. That's the answer, 6 1 over 6. Yeah. Moving on to question number 11. It says find the value of 64 2 by 3. Now in the denominator of the exponent we have 3, so we have to check 64 is a cube of which number. So 4 into 4, 16 into 4 is 64, so we can write 4 cube, and then we have to the power 2 by 3, so powers will multiply, so 2 by 3, so 3 will cancel out, we have 4 square, so 16 will be the answer for question number 11. Moving on to question number 12. It says work out giving your answer in standard form. So now everything is in multiplication, so we can directly multiply 7.1 multiplied by 2, that is going to be 14.2 multiplied by this into this, So 10 raised to minus 15 multiplied by 10 raised to 3, we have 10 raised to minus 12. And then because this is not in standard form, we have to convert it into standard form. So it is going to be 1.42 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 11. This is going to be the answer. 1.42 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 11. Part B, it says 5.2 multiplied by 10 raised to 7 plus 5.2 multiplied by 10 raised to 6. Now again, we have to make this term 10 raised to 7 common. We do have 5.2 common, but then it is difficult to add the remaining one. So what we can do, we can write 5.2 multiplied by 10 raised to 7 as it is, and here we can write plus 0.52 multiplied by 10 raised to 7. Now we can take 10 raised to 7 common, and we can write 5.2 plus 0.52. So inside the bracket it is going to give us 5.72, and then multiplied by 10 raised to 7. This can be written as 5.72 multiplied by 10 raised to 7, and this is going to be the answer. So 5.72 multiplied by 10 raised to 7. That's the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 13. It says, find the number of sides of a regular polygon with interior angle 162 degrees. So we have interior angle 162 degrees. So exterior angle is going to be 180 degree minus 162. So that is 18 degrees. That's the exterior angle, and we have to find the number of sides. So for that we have the formula n equals to 360 degree upon e. So 360 degrees upon e is 18. So 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36 with a 0. So number of sides n equals to 20. Also, how do we have e equals to 180 minus 162? Because we have the formula interior angle plus exterior angle always adds up to 180 degree. So we can use this formula to find the exterior angle when interior is given to us. Moving on to question number 14. It says range, mode, median and mean. Range, mode, median and mean of 5 positive integers are all equals to 10. Find one possible set of these 5 integers. So everything is 10. Range, mode, median, mean. The average is also 10. That means there are 5 numbers. Sum of all those 5 numbers divided by 5 should give us 10, and range is also 10. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say first number is 5 and last number is 15. So range will be 10, highest minus lowest. This is going to be the this is going to be the lowest value. This is going to be the lowest value. This is going to be the highest value. So highest minus lowest is 5. That highest minus lowest, that is 10. 15 minus 5 is 10. So that is our range. Mode is number. Okay, and then median is also 10. So the center value will also be 10, and mean is also 10. So we can write 10 and 10 over here, because so median done, mean done, and mode any number with highest frequency in a given set of data. So that is mode. So this is going to be the answer, because sum of all the 5 numbers is going to be 50 divided by 5, that is 10. So 5, 10, 10, 10 and 15. There can be other set also possible. You can just try. Moving on to question number 15. So this is based on transformation. It says describe fully single transformation that maps triangle T onto triangle A. So T to A, right? So this T to A. So again, this is a case of rotation. First of all, we have to describe. So this is a case of rotation. Then this is clockwise rotation, because it is moving like this actually. So this is clockwise rotation but we also have to describe at what angle. So this is certainly 90 degree. Clockwise rotation 90 degree, and we also have to find the center of rotation. Where is the center of rotation? So center of rotation from here to here, so it is going to be here. You can always this coordinate is going to be 4, 3. So center of rotation is center of rotation 4,3. You can put a tracing paper on the diagram, so you can just like put a big tracing paper over here. On the tracing paper, sketch this like this on T, and then put a pencil over this point, and then just rotate the tracing paper, and it will overlap. It will come over here. It will come over here like this. So that point is going to be the center of rotation, which is 4,3. So yeah, done. So what are the things that we have to write? We have to write what type of transformation is happening. That is clockwise. That is rotation. Direction of rotation, that is clockwise, angle of rotation, and center of rotation. Hence you will get the full 3 marks. Moving on to question number 16. Question number 16. So this is based on statistics. It says a student measures the height h centimeter of each 400 plants. The cumulative frequency diagram shows the result. We have the cumulative frequency diagram. It says use the diagram to find an estimate for the median. So what is median? Median is median for cumulative frequency diagram is n by 2 th. Median is basically q2. So your q2 is n by 2 th. N is 400 because there are 400 observations. So 400 by 2 is going to be 200th value. So check what is the 200th value. So go to 200. 200 is over here. From 200 you go to the line here, and from here you just go down and check. So that's 30. So it is going to be 30. Now it says find the interquartile range. So interquartile range is the difference of Q3 minus Q1. Your Q3 minus Q1 is your IQR, interquartile range. So first we have to find Q3 and then Q1. So what's the formula for Q3 and Q1? For Q3 it is 3 by 4 nth position. So that is going to be 3 over 4 into 400. So 100 into 3, 300th position. We have to check what is the 300th position value. So 300, this is 280. This is 280. Let's say this is 290. 300, 310, 20. So 290, 300. So this is going to be less than this. So somewhere here. So from here, like if you go like this, will fall here, and then you will get your value over here. That is 39. And then Q1. So Q1 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. That is 3. Sorry, not 3. 1 over 4 into 400th. That is 100th value. 100th value is going to be, let me check. So this is 80, 90, 100. So 100th value will be somewhere here. So from here we will get 80, 90, 100 less than this. So this is going to be somewhere 19. So yeah, 39 minus 19, Q3 minus Q1, 39 minus 19, that is 20. So that is 20. Now 80th percentile. So 80th percentile is going to be 80 over 100 into 400. So that is 0, 0 cancel out, 0, 0 cancel out. 8 into 4, 32, 0. So 320th value. Let me check the 320th value. So 320th value is over here. So you go from here to the graph, which is here, and then you come back. So this is not exactly on 40. It is something before that. It is here. So this line is going to be, again, this is not 40 exactly, less than 40. So we can write 39, let's say. Now the last one, it says the number of plants with the height greater than 60. Number of plants with height greater than 60. Height greater than 60. So height of the plants are on x-axis. So 60, from 60 you go over here, and then you mark over here. It is not exactly on this line. So this can be like 365, let's say. because this is above 360 and this point can be like 370 or less than 370, so I'm just taking 365, and maximum is still 400. So 400 minus 365, 400 minus 365, that is, let's say 35. There must be a range for it, but 35 is within from the graph that we just observed. Moving on, we have part B. It says the heights are also shown in the frequency table. So this is the frequency, this is the height. Complete the histogram to show this information. So we have frequency density. So we have the formula for frequency density. Frequency density is actually frequency upon class width. Frequency upon class width. We have the class width from the class that is given to us for each and every case. So from 0 to 20, frequency is 120, and the height is the frequency density is 6. But how? By using this formula. Frequency density is frequency upon class width. So I'm just writing frequency density over here. So if you have to find the frequency density for this case, frequency is 120. So 120 over class width. Class width is 0 to 20, that is 20. So 0, 0 cancel out, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. That is how for the first class interval 0 to 20, the class width is till 6. Similarly, we can calculate the frequency density for each and every class interval. So 20 to 30, and the frequency is 80. So 80 over 10, 0, 0. This is 8. This is 124 over 10 again. So that is 12.4. This is 76 over 10. No, this is 42. This is 40 to 80. That is 40. So this is going to be 7.6 over 4. 7.6 over 4. So this is going to be 4 ones are 4, and then 3 carry. So 3.6. So 1.4 nines are 36. So 1.9. So this is going to be 1.9. Moving on. Let's plot it now. So for 20 to 30, it is 8. So we have to go till 8 till here. Let me use this. So for 20 to 30, it is 8 like this, and then we can just simply shade it to make it visible. So this is for 20 to 30. Third one, 30 to 40. So for 30 to 40, let's use 30 to 40, it is 12.4. 12.4. So 12.4. So see, this is 12, 12.4, 12.8, 13.2, 13.6, and 14. Yeah. So 1 unit is actually 4 units. 30 to 40, 12.4 is going to be here. Yeah. And then this is going to be your 30 to 40 marking. Yes. And then we just again just shade it to make it visible. And the last one is 40 to 80. 40 to 80, which is 1.9. So 40 to 80, 1.9. 1.9 is going to be less than 2. Somewhere between. Okay. So I'm just less than 2, little less than 2. So yeah, here 40 to 80 will be like this, and then let's just shade it. So yeah, this is the answer. This is frequency density here and height here. So yeah, done. Let's move on to question number 17 from circle theorem. It says the diagram shows a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. BD and AC intersect at X. Angle BAD is 74 degrees. Angle BCA is 34. BCA is 34. Find angle BDA. BD and A. So BDA and ACB will be equal. So this is also going to be 34 degrees. So BDA 34 degrees. Angle BCD, B, C and D, this angle. So angle BCD is this angle. So in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles adds up to 180 degree. So 180 minus 74 minus 34. 180 degree minus 74 minus 34. So that is going to be 180 minus 108. That is 72 degrees. So this angle is 72 degrees. Only this angle is 72 degrees. But angle, okay, BCD will be 72 plus 34. So 72 plus 34, we have to find 72 plus 34, that is going to be 106 degrees, because this is only the other half of BCD. This part is 34, and we just calculated this angle, which is 72 degrees. Now angle ABD, let's check A, B and D. So ABD will be equals to ACD, which is 72 degrees. So this is going to be 72 degrees. Let's move on to part B now. It says in the diagram triangle ADX is similar to triangle BCX. In the diagram triangle ADX, let me just check the diagram. In the diagram triangle ADX is similar to BCX. ADX is similar to BCX. Okay, let me just sketch this over here. ADX is like this: A, D and X. We have angle this 34, and they're asking for BCX. So okay, I'll just sketch like this: BCX. This is also 34 degrees. Now BC is 5.4, this BC 4.5, not 5.4, 4.5. AD 9 centimeter, AD 9, AD BC. Okay, CX is 3.3, CX is 3.3. Work out XD. CX is this, work out XD. Okay, so we have triangle ADX and triangle BCX. Just write it down. Triangle ADX and triangle BCX are similar triangles. So basically, if this is the first triangle, this is the second triangle, I can mark this as AD by BC. AD by BC is equals to AD by BC, because they are similar, is equals to dx by cx. And now substitute the value. We have AD as 9, BC as 4.5. dx we have to work out, which is xd, same thing, divided by cx, which is 3.3. So we will get 4.5 1s 2s, xd is equals to 2 into 3.3, which is 6.6. So xd is going to be 6.6 centimeter. Let's move on. Now we have other question number 18, that is based on functions. F of x is 3 minus 2x, g of x is 2x plus 3, h of x is 2 raised to x. It says find f of minus 3. F of minus 3, that means substitute minus 3 in place of x. So 3 minus 2 times minus 3. This is going to be 3 plus 6, which is 9. So the first answer, it is 9. Find g of f of minus 3. F of minus 3 we have already calculated as 9 in the first part. So that is going to be g of 9, which is 2 times 9 plus 3, that is 18 plus 3. So that is 21. Part B, f inverse of x. We have to find the inverse of f of x, inverse function. So first of all, write down the function y is equals to 3 minus 2x, right? Or you can just take let f of x equals to y. Let f of x equals to y. Then after writing this, you swap the variables. So we can write x equals to 3 minus 2y and then make y the subject of the equation. So we can write 2y equals to 3 minus x, y equals to 3 minus x over 2, and this y is going to be your f inverse. F inverse of x will be 3 minus x over 2. That's the answer, 3 minus x over 2. Let's move on to the other part. It says find x when g of x is 7. G of x is 2x plus 3. So first of all, g of x is 2x plus 3. So g of x is 7. That means 2 of 2x plus 3 and then plus 3 is equals to 7. So we can write 4x plus 3 to the 6 is equals to 7 minus 3, that is 4, and then 4x equals to 4 minus 6, that is minus 2, x equals to minus 2 over 4, that is minus 1 by 2. That's the answer, minus 1 over 2. Let's move on. Part D, it says find x when h inverse of x is 5. What is h of x? H of x is 2 raised to x. So see, h of x is 2 raised to x, and it says h inverse of x is 5, find x. So we can multiply by h both side, like the h of x. So h inverse of x equals to, we can write h of 5, hence this and this will cancel out, h equals to h of 5. And what is going to be h of 5? X equals to, h of 5 means 2 raised to 5, so 2 raised to 5, x is going to be 2 raised to 5, that is 32. So 32 is going to be the answer. This was for part D. Let's move on to question 19. It says simplify root 32 plus root 98. Root 32. Root 32 can be written as, see, 4 square is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. So this is going to be 4 root 2. 4 root 2 will be 32 plus root 98. So root 98 ka we can check, 98, and then 2 times 2 4s are 8, carry 1 2 9s are 18. So again, 7 square is 49. We can write 7 root 2, or you can just check like this, 7 1s are 7, 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So you have a pair here, so 7 root 2, that's how we are writing 7 root 2. So 4 root 2 plus 7 root 2 is going to be 11 root 2. That's the answer, 11 root 2. Let's move on to part B. It says rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, multiplied by root 2 minus 1 over root 2 minus 1. So in the numerator we have root 2 minus 1, in the denominator we have a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So we can write root 2 ka the whole square minus 1 square, which is equals to root 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1, that is root 2 minus 1 over 1. So final answer is going to be root 2 minus 1. Yeah, that's it. Moving on to question number 20. It says y is inversely proportional to 1 upon root of x when y is 8, x is 4. So first of all, we can write y equals to k over root of x. Y is 8, x is 4. So 8 equals to k over root of 4. So k is equals to 8 multiplied by root 4 is 2. So k will be 16. Value of k is 16, and then they are telling us to find y when x is 49. So y is equals to k over root of x. X is 49, so k is 16. So 16 over root 49, that is going to be 16 over 7, which can be written as 7 2s are 14 and then 2 16. So 2 over 7 is the answer. That's the value of y. Let's move on to question number 21. It says in this question all measurements are in centimeter. all measurements are in centimeter. The height of the triangle h and the height of the rectangle is h plus 2, h, and this is h plus 2. Whatever is the value of h, plus 2 is going to be height of the rectangle. The length of the base of the triangle is x and the length of the rectangle is x plus 1. This is x plus 1. The area of the triangle is 11 centimeter square, so this is 11 centimeter square, and this is, for rectangle, it is 39 centimeter square. Write down an expression in terms of x for the height of the rectangle. Height is h plus 2, so here how we can, so this is h and this is h plus 2. We have to work out for the height of the rectangle. So let's find the value of h. So from the triangle we can write 11 equals to base into height divided by 2. That's the area of triangle. Area of triangle equals to h into x over 2. So 2 into 11, 22 over x equals to h. So this is the height of triangle, but they are asking us to in terms of x write down the height of the rectangle. Rectangle is h plus 2. H plus 2 is going to be 22 over x and then plus 2. So 22 over x plus 2. This much centimeter is going to be the height of the rectangle. Now in the second part they are asking us, show that 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equals to 0. So now we can take, so this height of this is actually 22 over x plus 2. This is the height, this is the base, and this is the area. So area, we can write area 39 is equals to 22 over x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. Area of rectangle equals to L into B. So now let's just cross multiply the RHS. So 22 into x, 22 over x into x, this is going to be 22. 22 over x plus 1, so that is going to be 22 over x multiplied by 1, that is going to be 22 over x as it is. So done with the first part. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 1, that is 2. So this 22 and 2 will be added, that is 24, plus here this will have cross multiplication. So 22 plus 2x square over x, and here we have 39. So 39 minus 24 equals to 2x square plus 22 over x. So 39 minus 24 is going to be 15. 15 equals to 2x square plus 22 over x. This x will go and multiply with 15. So basically we can write over here. So we'll get 15x is equals to 2x square plus 22. Transpose 15x this side, so we can write 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equals to 0, and this is what we had to show. So that's the answer. Moving on to the next part, it says by factorizing and solving 2x square minus 15x plus 22, find the two possible heights of the triangle. Okay, so using factorization method, so now we have to check what we can do over here. So let's do rough. A into C, so 2 into 22, that is 44. 2 22s are 2 11s are. So I think it is done. 11 ones are 11. 11 and 4. One number will be 11 and another number will be 4. So 4 and 11, we can take minus 4 and minus 11. So 2x square minus 11x minus 4x plus 22 equals to 0. So we will get 2, not just 2, I think x common, and we can write 2x minus 11. Here minus 2 common, so 2x minus 11 again equals to 0. From here we will get x minus 2 and 2x minus 11 equals to 0. So we'll get x equals to 2, and from here we'll get x equals to 11 by 2. This, or if you don't want fraction over here, so the answer is going to be this multiplied by 2, or you'll get x equals to 4, and then here x is going to be 11. So 4 and 11, 4 and 11. Moving on to the next question, question number 22. It says find the exact value of x. We have to find the value of x. We have base given, so cos theta, cos 30 degree, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so base is 8, hypotenuse is x. X is going to be 8 over 30. 30 is cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 and by 2, so 2 will go in numerator, you will get 16 over root 3. This is the answer. Or you can also just rationalize it, so multiplied by root 3, you will get 16 root 3 over 3. So that's the answer, 16 root 3 whole divided by 3. That's the answer. Question number 23, it says write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Single fraction in simplest form. So just do cross multiplication. 3 times x plus 3 minus 4 times x minus 4 whole divided by x minus 4 and x plus 3. Keep the denominator as it is, and now you will get 3x plus 9 minus 4x plus 16 whole divided by x minus 4 and x plus 3. So that is going to be 9 and 16 and 9, that is going to be 27, and this is minus x over x minus 4, and this is going to be x plus 3. Let me check this once again. 16, so this is going to be 25, not 27. Yeah, 15 plus 10, 25. 25 minus x whole divided by x minus 4 and x plus 3. So yeah, this is going to be the answer. Let's move on to question number 24. It says write x square minus 4x plus 7 in the form of x minus a the whole square plus b. That is completing the square form. So basically we have to add minus b by 2 the whole square, add and subtract minus b by 2 the whole square, so b by 2, so 4 by 2 minus 4 by 2 the whole square. So we can write x square minus 4x plus minus 2 the whole square plus 7 minus 2 the whole square. So from here you will get x x minus 2 the whole square plus 7 minus 4, that is going to be x minus 2 the whole square plus 3. So this is going to be answer, x minus 2 the whole square plus 3. And just check, do we have to write the value of a and b? No. So this is what we have to write. This is the answer. Moving on to part b, it says write down the coordinates of the turning point of the graph of y equals to x square minus 4x plus 7. So for turning point, x equals to minus b over 2a, that is minus 4, so 4 over 2 into a, so just 2, so 2. So x component is 2, y component, y is equals to 2 square minus 4 to the 8 plus 7. So minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So the answer is 2 and 3 for y. So 2, 3. That's the answer. Moving on to question number 25, two similar shapes. It says the two shapes are mathematically similar. The area of the larger shape is 36 centimeters square and the area of the smaller shape is 25 centimeter square. The height of the larger shape is 9 centimeter and the height of the smaller shape is x centimeter. Find the value of x. So we have to remember the scale factor of area. So a1 upon a2 is equals to l1 square upon l2 square. This is shape 1 and this is shape 2. So a1 upon a2, 36 over 25 is equals to l1 square, so 9 square over l2 square, that is x square, and we have to find the value of x. So we can write x square is equals to 9 square 81 multiplied by 25 over 36. So now this has common 3 ones are 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, carry 2, 3 7s are 21, again 3 common, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. So this can be written as x square is equals to 3 square into 25, that is 5 square, over 4, that is 2 square. So x is going to be 3 multiplied by 5 over 2. So 5 3s are 15 over 2, that is 7.5. 7.5, and I think this is in centimeter, so yes, 7.5 centimeter. We have to find the value of x. 7.5 centimeter is the answer. Moving on to question number 26. This is based on graph. It says f of x equals to x plus 2 and x minus 3. On the diagram, sketch the graph of y equals to f of x from minus 3 to 4. Show the values of the intersection with the axis. Okay, first of all, this is minus 3, this is 0, this is 4. So this is 0, let's say this is 1, this is 2 at equal interval, this is 3, this is negative 1, this is negative 2, and we have to sketch the graph. So one of the x coordinate is 0, one of the x coordinate is negative 2, and one is positive 3. So it will go like this. Yeah, the graph is going to look like this. So this part is done. Expand and simplify. So okay, let's expand. So this is going to be x into x plus 2, so x square plus 2x, and then whole multiplied by x minus 3. This is going to be x square into x cube, x square into minus 3, minus 3x square, plus 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into minus 3, minus 6x. So this is going to be x cube. These are like terms, so minus x square and then minus 6x. So this is going to be x cube minus 2x square, not 2x square, it is just x square and minus 6x. This is going to be the answer. Now in part C, they're telling us A is the point 1 comma negative 6. A is the point 1 comma negative 6. The tangent to the graph of y equals to f of x at A. So at point A, 1 and negative 6 meets the y-axis at B. Find the coordinates of B. So it must be over here. At here we have 1 comma negative 6, and we have to find the tangent must be something like this. The line will be something like this, and this coordinate we have to find B. This coordinate is A given to us, 1 and negative 6. So let's check. So we have the equation y is equals to x cube minus x square minus 6x, and if we differentiate it, we'll get the gradient. So dy by dx equals to 3x square minus 2x minus 6, and we have the point on the graph. So at 1 comma 6, at 1 comma negative 6, so x component is 1. So let's substitute 3 into 1 square 3, minus 2 into 1 2, minus 6. So this is going to be 3 minus 8, that is minus 5, and that is going to be your gradient m. Now we have the straight line equation, or the equation of the tangent line is going to be y equals to mx plus c. We have the value of m, we have the value of x and y. So minus 6 is equals to minus 5 into 1 plus c. Let's find the y-intercept of the line. So minus 6 plus 5 equals to c. C is equals to negative 1. So the equation is going to be y equals to minus 5x minus 1. This is going to be the equation, and on the y-axis, the x component is definitely going to be 0. So this is 0 comma y. We have to find y when x is 0. So y is equals to this part is 0, because minus 5 into 0 is 0, and then minus 1. So y is negative 1 when x is 0. So 0 and -1 is going to be the answer for this question. Let's move on to the next one. Yeah, it's done. So yeah, we solved the entire paper without using calculator. This is how we have to do all the calculations manually. I hope you all clearly understood how to solve a non-calculator paper by doing manual calculations. For that you have to learn how to do calculation manually without using a calculator. You have to learn tables, you have to understand square root, cube root, squares, cubes, how to rationalize all those topics. Question like this where you have to remember the properties. This will all help you to do the calculations very easily. So yeah, we'll keep it till here. That's all for this paper. In the next video, we'll surely discuss some other paper, or if you have any doubts in any of the topic, you can surely put it in the comment section so that I can upload a video based on that particular topic. We can go topic wise. If you have any doubts about any question that I solved today in this paper, you can write your doubt in the comments section, and I will surely try to jot down all the doubts that you guys have, and maybe I can make another video on your doubts that you have to clear your doubts. So yeah, bye everyone.